In this video, we'll guide you through the process of replacing power cables in the LED PAPI 6.6A system. We'll cover both types of cables, those connecting the CCR and transformers, and those running between the PCU and the PAPI projector. Follow each step carefully to ensure proper installation and continued safe operation of your airfield lighting system. Before performing any cable replacement procedures, ensure that the entire PAPI system is completely powered down. This includes switching off the CCR and disconnecting any external power sources. Working on live equipment can result in serious damage to the components or pose a safety risk. If you've replaced the transformers or need to update the cables from the CCR, start by disconnecting the existing transformer from the current loop. Unplug it from the adjacent transformer and, if it's at the end of the loop, disconnect it from the CCR as well. Now, connect the new transformer into the circuit. These connections use a single pin-to-hole configuration, which means they can only be inserted in one orientation. To replace the cable connecting the power control unit to the PAPI projector, first disconnect the existing cable from both ends, at the PCU and at the projector. To do this, press and hold the locking mechanism on the connector to safely release and unplug the cable from both sides. Next, install the new cable. Make sure the male connector is inserted into the PCU and the female connector is connected to the projector. Each pin on the connector is labeled from 1 to 4. When connecting the cable, make sure that pin number 4 is facing downward to ensure proper alignment and connection. A distinct click indicates the connection is properly secured.